How to use Intact Car Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Intact Car Insurance is a popular choice in Canada, but many drivers make simple mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You must use it correctly to get real protection. A common mistake is choosing only minimum liability coverage. While it meets provincial requirements, it may not cover the full cost of repairs, medical expenses, or replacement vehicles after an accident. Adding collision and comprehensive coverage ensures your car and finances are protected. Another frequent error is misunderstanding deductibles. A low deductible lowers out-of-pocket costs after a claim, but increases premiums, while a higher deductible saves money upfront but can leave you paying more if an accident happens. Choosing the right deductible is crucial. Failing to update your policy is another costly mistake. Moving, buying a new car, or adding a young driver can change your coverage needs. Not updating your Intact policy can create gaps or even result in denied claims. Many drivers also overlook discounts. Intact offers savings for bundling policies, safe driving, winter tires, and more. Ignoring these opportunities can cost you hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process is a trap. Always document damage, report accidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. Delays or incomplete info can impact your claim. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of your Intact Car Insurance Canada. Ensure proper coverage, set an appropriate deductible, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This way, your insurance works effectively, giving you peace of mind on the road.